Got it bumping.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Mystic here, back with another video. As you can see, we're doing well, I'm showing you this new oracle deck that I got. Okay, it's the Believe in Your Magic oracle deck. Okay, I'm showing you guys my new deck. Okay, but before we get into this video, what I'm gonna need you to do is comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna need you to hit that notification bell. Okay, so of course you already know I'm going to have a after I'm done talking, I'm just going to have a video of me flipping through the cards so you can see if you like these cards, if you want to purchase these cards. I got these cards from Amazon. I think they were $17 and some change after taxes or with all of that. I will see if I can find a link and I'll put it in the description box below. So I really like this deck. I like the artwork. I like the diversity of the deck. Y'all know I love diversity, you know, type of shit in card decks, whatever. So this is the little book that it comes with, and the letters and stuff is big. It's not in color, but that's fine. It's not a need. It's pretty good. The only thing with these cards, they big as fuck. Okay, like these cards, these are big. Like, I don't even have my ruler. I was going to try to measure the bitches. These are big. Like, where my other? Okay, these are my other oracle. Like, to compare. Okay, these are my other ones that I showed y'all the last time. See, look, see the comparison of, like, these cards are big. Okay. They passed the shuffle test when I can, like, get the cards together, because I got little hands, but they shuffle really good. Okay, but I like them. Ooh, I'm not about to pick it up. I like the artwork. Like, it's really cute. It's very diverse. They have everybody. They got chunky girls, they got skinny girls, they got black girls, they got white girls, they got Asian girls, they have what else they got? They, of course, look, Native American girls. Like, they got everybody on here. Like, I'm loving it. They have I can't remember what, like, see how this girl is. I can't remember what you call the people with that, you know, those that whatever. I ain't even gonna sit there because I don't feel like nobody getting offended by the littlest things that I fucking say. But anyway, they even have, like, there's a girl in here with an amputee. Like, I love it. It's, like, so diverse. Like, I love these cards. Okay, and I like the messages. They're very uplifting and just real cute. Okay, they're real cute. Okay, so I'm gonna just shut the fuck up now, and I'm gonna just let y'all watch, you know, the whole, you know, we flip through the cards so you guys can figure out whether or not you want to try and get these for yourself. And let me see, this, the artwork is by Janana. I'm not gonna try to say her name, no, but the other lady that created it, not the illustrator, her name is Amanda Lovelace. I'm not even gonna try to say this lady's name, the artwork, because I can't say it. So yeah, so y'all not gonna see me no more do this video. I'm just gonna show you guys the flip through. I'm going to warn you guys, I thought I had the real lights on when I was flipping through the cards and I was recording it, but I didn't. But you still can see the cards really, really good. At least I feel as though you can. Okay, so yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Bye.